What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. I'm gonna show y'all how to download PCSX2 on your computer or PC on your Linux, Mac, or Windows computer. Obviously, I just type in PCSX2. I go here, and y'all go download like waitlist nightly or your latest stable build. Probably should get probably should get the stable build because it has a lot more like features and stuff like I'll show y'all. I have a lot of features here like it's a little different from like the actually no, it's actually the nightly build has the more features. The stable build is oh it's a little different now. I ain't realized that because when I used the stable build it had like 1.6 or 1.7 I think. Yeah, it was a little different, but that was like 2 years ago. So yeah, just get the nightly build because they're like updated regularly. I probably should get the stable build if you want something a little more stable and have no issues or whatever. But use the nightly build if you want to have more features. And also you gotta download a BIOS. You can just download a BIOS from on here. BIOS files from on here or over here. I might have just had to show y'all an example. Like I'll just download the file. You have to extract here. Some zip, download some zip, so you can like extract your files or whatever. Just extract files right here. And here's all like the stuff right here, like the updater, and this is where you like open the application. And also download a BIOS from like right here, like I said. China, Japan, Europe, USA. I'm doing USA. You download USA version. You extract it. And here's like the BIOS. I believe this is where you like put the BIOS files in. Or when you see like the RPC, PCSX2 BIOS folder right here, you just put them in here, and I guess they'll show up when you're here. And this way where you start BIOS. And that's kind of it. I'm not gonna show you how to get the games because I'm not trying to like get the website shut down where I get the games at. I might link it. So yeah, that's it. This is where you like get like this is where you like emulate PS2 games or whatever. Because I wanted to play PS2 games like years ago, but I didn't know I had the money to buy it, but I had a computer and my computer was able to run the games. So yeah, that's it.